Children, in previous class we saw about the what is health, what is hygiene, and then dental care. In this class we are going to see about the health and hygiene. Topic is eye care. Let's see about eye care. Okay. Eyes are an important organ of our body. They are considered as windows to the world. Eyesight is the most important sense. 80% of what we perceive comes through the sense of sight. The protection of the eyes can reduce the odds of blindness and vision loss. With protection of our eyes from the diseases surrounding climate condition. The next topic is hair care. Let's see about hair care. The condition of the hair reflects to some extent the nutritional status and general health of the body. Thin, sparse hair and the loss of hair indicates a poor nutritional status. The deficiencies in diet, physical and mental illness of various kinds may also lead to premature graying of hair. The hair follicles from which the hair produce oil which keeps the hair smooth. The sweat and the dead skin cells come off the scalp. To keep the hair clean and healthy, the regular hair wash and massage of the scalp will remove the dead skin cells, excess oil and dust. Rinsing the hair well with clear water and using good tooth comb for hair dressing is highly essential for the maintenance. This is the main things to keep the hair clean and healthy. Let's see about the diseases. Let's see about the diseases. A disease is the functional or physical change from a normal state that affects the health of a person by causing disability or discomfort. The following are reasons that could lead to the development of disease in an individual. First one, infection caused by disease causing microbes. Second one, lack of balanced diet. Third one, poor lifestyle and unhealthy habits. Fourth one, malfunctioning of one or more body parts or organs. Next, different kinds of sickness and the causes. The prevention and the treatment of sickness can be considered into two groups for the better understanding. They are communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Let's see about the communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those that spread from one person to another. Healthy persons must be protected from people with communicable diseases. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food, and vectors. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food, or vectors. Next topic is diseases caused by bacteria. In this lesson, you will study about some communicable disease which are caused by microbes and spread through air, water, and some other organisms also. Let's see about the tuberculosis. Okay. Tuberculosis short form is TB. TB is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis and spreads from one person to another person through air by spitting and prolonged contact with the sharing materials of the patient. The symptoms are fever, weight loss, chronic cough, and difficulty in breathing. This is the symptoms of TB or tuberculosis. Let's see the prevention and treatment for tuberculosis. First one, BCG vaccination. Second one, giving special attention to the patient. Third one, regular medication like DOT. Let's see again. First one, BCG vaccination. Second one, giving special attention to the patient. Third one, regular medication like DOT. This is the special treatment for TB. Let's see about the cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae and spread through the consumption contaminated food or water. The symptoms of cholera is vomiting, severe diarrhea and cramps in legs. What is the prevention for the cholera? Prevention and treatment. First one, good hygienic practices like washing hands before eating. Second one, avoid eating uncovered food from street vendors. Third one, drinking boiled water. Fourth one, getting vaccination against cholera. This is the prevention and treatment for the cholera. Let's see about the typhoid. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi and spreads by contaminated food and water. The symptoms are headache, rashes on abdomen, and high fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Let's see about the prevention and treatment for typhoid. First one, drinking boiled clean water. Second one, proper disposal of sewage. Third one, vaccination. Next, let's see about the diseases caused by virus. Viral diseases are extremely widespread infections caused by many types of viruses. In this lesson, you will learn about some diseases caused by viruses like hepatitis, chickenpox, and rabies. Let's see first one, hepatitis. Hepatitis is one of the most dangerous and fatal diseases caused by hepatitis virus. A, B, C, D, E. Its mode of transmission is contaminated water, sharing of needles, and blood transfusion. The symptoms of hepatitis is loss of vomiting, eyes and urine in yellow color. This is the symptoms of hepatitis. Hepatitis means, what is hepatitis? Manjal Kamalai in Tamil. prevention and treatment. Drinking boiled water, first one. Second one, proper cleaning of hands. The main prevention and treatment for hepatitis. Okay, thank you students. We will see in next class about the chicken pox and rabies. Thank you.